Jai Gurudev to everyone. This is Minakshi, and today I'm taking maths of class 7th, lesson number 6. Simple equations, part 9, exercise number 6.3. Question number 1. If 10 less than a number is 45, what is a number? So, this video includes all word problems. Okay, so the first question it is given. If 10 less than a number is 45, what is the number? If 10 less than a number, so what is that number? It is not given, so we will take that number as x. It means 10 less than x is 45. Then what is the number? So in earlier videos, I told you that how to make a equation by using a statement and how to make a statement by using equation. So here a statement is given. By using this statement we have to make an equation and then we have to find out the number of the variable. It means the value of variable. So the solution, let the number be x. So we will take a number as x because here we want a number. So we will take that number which we have to find out as a x. Then according to the question, what is given in the question? It is given that 10 less than a number. So a number we have taken it as a x. Then 10 less than a number means x minus 10 is 45. So this will be our equation, that is x minus 10 equals to 45. Then I will transfer this minus 10 to right hand side. It will become plus 10 because here we have to find out the value of x. So that is x equals to 45 plus 10 and 45 plus 10 is equals to 55. Therefore, the value of x is 45. It means therefore the number is 55. Then the next question, question number 2, it is given. A number when added to 73 make it 200. What is a number? So it is given a number when added to 73. So a number, that number we will consider it as x. So here a number when added to 73 make it 200. Therefore the equation will be x added to 73 is equals to 200. Then what is the number that we have to find out? So first we will make the equation. So the solution, and what is the number for that? We will take a number as x. Therefore let a number be x. Then according to the question, what is given in the question? A number added to 73 make it x. It means according to this statement the equation will be x plus 73 is equals to 200. Now here we got the equation. Now by using this equation we will find out the value of x, that is the value of variable. So here I will transfer this 73 to right hand side. So plus 73 will become minus 73, that is x equals to 200 minus 73, and 200 minus 73 is equals to 127. So here we got the value of x is 127. Therefore the number is 127. Then the next question is question number 3, that is the sum of three consecutive integer is 45. What are the three numbers? So here it is given in the question, that is the sum of three consecutive integer is 45. What are the three numbers? So consecutive integers. So consecutive integers means the meaning of word consecutive means in a sequence. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the numbers are in a sequence. That way we have to take the three consecutive integers. So, and according to the question, the sum of that three consecutive integers be 45. So here we will take the three consecutive integers as first integer we will take x, and if the first integer is x, then 1 added to that integer it will be x plus 1, then again 1 added to the next integer it will be x plus 2. It means the three consecutive integers will be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So let's start with the solution. Let the three consecutive numbers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Again more integers are there, like after this x plus 3, x plus 4 and x plus 5 and so on, but here we have to take only three integers. Then according to the question, it is given in the question that the sum of three consecutive integer is 45. It means the sum of these three integer equals to 45. So here we will write it as x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals to 45. So this is the first integer, this one is the second, and this one is the third integer. Now first we will remove the bracket. So that is x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals to 45. Now here x, x and this x are the variables, so we can add that. Therefore x plus x equals to 3x, and then the numerical term, that is 1 and 2, so plus 1 plus 2 equals to 3, that is 3x plus 3 equals to 45. Now I will transfer this 3 to right hand side. So it will become 3x equals to 45 minus 3, and 45 minus 3 is equals to 42, that is 3x equals to 42. So now here we want the value of x. So for that I will transfer this 3 to right hand side. It will goes in the form of division. So that is x equals to 42 divided by 3, and 42 divided by 3 is equals to 14. So here we got the first integer as 14. Now we want the second and third integer. So for second integer we will put the value of x here as 14 and we will add with 1, and that to then to get third integer, here in place of x we will put the value of x as 14 we got, and we will add it with 2 to get the third integer. Therefore, the three numbers are x equals to 14, x plus 1 equals to 14 plus 1, that equals to 15, and the third is x plus 2 equals to 14 plus 2 equals to 16. Therefore, the three integers we got here, that is 14, 15, and the third one is 16. Then the question number 4, it is given the sum of the three consecutive integer is twice the smallest of the integer. Find the integers. So here it is given according to the question, the sum of three consecutive integer is twice the smallest of the integer. Then find the integer. So here also we will take the three consecutive integer as it is given. The sum of three consecutive integer is twice the smallest. Okay. So here we will take the three integers as, let the three consecutive integers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Then according to the question, what is given in the question, that is sum of these three integer is equals to smallest, the twice the smallest of the integer. So here sum of this integer means x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals to, what is given here, twice the smallest of the integer. So here the smallest integer is x, and twice of x means it will be 2x. So that's why here we have taken it as 2x. So it means the sum of three consecutive integer is equals to the twice the smallest of the integer. Now we will simplify it to get the value of the integer. So first we will remove the bracket, and after removing bracket we will get x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals to 2x. Now x plus x equals to 3x plus 1 plus 2 equals to 3, that equals to 2x. Now I will transfer this 2x to left hand side, it will become minus 2x, and I will transfer 3 to right hand side, so plus 3 will become minus 3, that is equals to 3x minus 2x equals to minus 3, and 3x minus 2 is equals to x. So here we got 3x minus 2x is equals to x, which is equals to minus 3. So here we got the value of x as minus 3. Now we want the second and third integer. First integer we got, so to take out the second integer, in place of x we will put minus 3, as here we got the value of x as minus 3, and to get third integer also we will put minus 3 in place of x. Therefore the integers are x equals to minus 3, then x plus 1 equals to, that equals to minus 3 plus 1 which is equals to minus 2 and x plus 2 equals to minus 3 plus 2 which is equals to minus 1. So the three integers are minus 3, second is minus 2 and the third is minus 3. Then the next question, that is question number 5. If a certain number subtracted from 41 is 91, what is the number? So what is given here in the question? If a certain number, so that certain number we will take it as a x. Then if a certain number subtracted from 41 is 91, certain number subtracted from 41. So if we will take that certain number as x, then 41 minus x is equals to 91. It will be our equation, and then we will simplify that equation to take out the value of x, and whatever that value of x we will get, that will be the number. So the solution, let a number be x, then according to the condition our equation will be 41 minus x equals to 91, and to get the value of x I will transfer this 41 to right hand side. It will become minus 41. So that is minus x equals to 91 minus 41. As I transfer 41 to right hand side, so what is left here? Minus x. Then minus x equals to 91 minus 41 equals to 50. Therefore here we got x equals to minus 50. Therefore the number is minus 50. So always remember one thing, whenever there is a minus sign to the variable or in front of variable, that time in the final solution, that when you will take out the final answer, that time the variable sign will shift to the answer, that is will be to the number. So that is x will be equals to minus 50. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this all 5 questions are understand by you very well, and the next remaining questions I will take in the next video. Thank you so much.